Tired of just reading about Oracle Fusion and itching to actually get your hands dirty? Let's unlock the secrets to accessing your very own Oracle Fusion practice environment. First up, the Oracle Cloud free tier. Head over to the Oracle Cloud website and look for the free tier option. Keep in mind that this provides a limited trial with cloud credits. While it might let you provision some Fusion components, availability can vary. So check the fine print to see if it suits your needs. Click the sign up button and fill in the necessary information. If the free tier doesn't cut it, consider specialized providers or training platforms. These offer paid access to Oracle Fusion instances, often preloaded with demo data for modules like HCM, ERP, and SCM. This means we'll have a dedicated sandbox to explore functionalities and configurations without affecting live systems. Another avenue is Oracle University and its partners. Keep an eye out for free training programs or certifications they offer. These often include temporary access to practice environments as part of the curriculum, giving you a structured learning path alongside hands-on experience. Don't underestimate the power of the Oracle community. Engage in forums and user groups. You might find shared resources, tips, or even opportunities to access practice instances through share environments or collaborative projects. It never hurts to ask and connect with fellow learners. So, whether it's the free tier, a paid platform, or a community, getting hands-on with Oracle Fusion is within reach. Now go forth, explore, and become a Fusion pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Oracle Fusion tips and tricks.